In this tutorial, I will show you how to convert image into URL link in just few easy steps. So let's start writing. From your desktop, open any of the browser and in the search bar, search for google.com and sign into your Google account. Then from right corner, click on apps icon and select Drive. Now from left side, click on New. Then click on File Upload. Now select the picture for which you want to create a link and then click on Open. Then it will start uploading in your Google Drive. Uploading pop-up will appear in the bottom right corner. After uploading, open it. You can open it by either clicking on it or go to My Drive from left side. And here you have to double click on the image you have just uploaded. Now from top right corner, click on Share. Here click on drop down icon in General Access section and click on anyone with the link. Then click on Copy Link and then click on Done. Now you can use this link to share the image with anyone. People with this link will be able to view the image online and also able to download it. So that's how you can convert image into URL link in just few easy steps.